Hello, everyone, and welcome back to this week's episode of What's Going On at Zive. Again, we have been working very hard on improving our product based on your feedback, based on our customers' feedback. We worked on multi-language in the past week. Now, multi-language is a very sensitive aspect when offering enterprise search and enterprise AI, especially for companies that work internationally in multiple languages. And that is why we thought very hard about how we wanted to implement multi-language within Zive. We went with an approach that allows users to search across multiple languages at the same time, but also searching only within their preferred language. So let's have a look. First, whenever someone searches for something and we look at the new search result list, you will see that every single content now has an expressive language tag. So let's look at this. Let's just say, okay, I want to look at marketing. And then for each of the results here, as you can see, there's a little language tag. So this helps me very much as a user to quickly identify the content's language. Now, the interesting thing here is, obviously, you can search by keywords, and those keywords are typically within one language or the other, maybe marketing being quite a bad example here because that actual term exists in multiple languages. But if I, for example, search for vacation, or let's search for the vacation guideline here, what this will give me is the PDF that matches exactly what I've been looking for, the vacation guideline for 2024 here. But because there is an intelligent semantic match also with the content of another document in another language, that gives me the result here as well. Now, this might not always be helpful. So what I can then do is I can go in and I can filter down to a specific language. So I can say, all right, I'll only want to have the German results. And this is interesting because I can actually search in English and still find German stuff. And this is quite important as languages start to mix up. So we thought this is the right approach to take here. Very curious to learn from you, how would you prefer it as a user to search across multiple languages, especially if you're working in an international company. So say you're German, you work in a German office, but you work with colleagues who also speak English, for example, right? So what's your preferred way for dealing with international content there? All right, guys, so much for this week. Happy to receive your feedback. Have a great week.